Enjoy convenient features on this impressive dishwasher from Bosch that makes cleaning the dishes an effortless task. You can wash glass at 40 degrees with the protective program, so the cycle is gentler when washing and drying delicate glassware. With optimum results to keep it sparkling for longer, you can relax knowing that your glassware is being cleaned with care. ExtraDry is ideal for when you need items to be ready to use at short notice. It works at a higher temperature, so your cookware is dried quickly and thoroughly, including plastic items that can be difficult to dry. Enjoy better drying results after every wash, perfect for hectic days. The Varioflex baskets are easily adjustable, so you can adjust the height of the top basket even when it's fully loaded. This allows you to be versatile when loading larger pots and pans, creating enough space in the bottom tray to get everything clean after busy dinner times. This Bosch dishwasher is perfect for any family home, making washing the dishes a quick and easy task.